How to keep all your subscriptions private on YouTube app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to keep all your subscriptions private on YouTube app, easy and fast, in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to YouTube. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, and now choose your channel option from here to go to your channel. Now all what you have to do is click here on this pencil option, and now right here you will find the option of keep all my subscriptions private. Just turn it on like this and your subscriptions will be private. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.